Track Hawk, baby. Alrighty guys, and we just got done with the Track Hawk delivery, and there is a pretty big hypercar show happening just down the street, so we're gonna be taking this beauty. Yes sir, MSO 765 LT Spider with the fade paint coming out for a show today. Let's go. So we are in the 765 LT Spider going down to Hyper Society. There's a pretty big car show happening over there today. They wanted us to bring the 765 out for display, so that's what we're gonna go do. With the permission of the owner, of course. This car is on consignment. It is still for sale. So we're just gonna, you know, stretch its legs a little bit, show it to the crowd, get some eyes on it, and hopefully sell it. Let's get this lift up here. And now we are rolling in to the car show. We're early just to basically stage some cars, but yeah, let's see what happens. All right, got the McLaren all parked up. Guys, we're riding in that. It's gonna be insane. Let's hop in this thing. Let's try to at least.
I think all the electric cars should be at the back. They make too much noise.
The Apollo. This thing is nuts. freaking machine.
It's fucking crazy. Yeah.
All right, let's try to get out of this thing.
You can step on the seat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Probably better step on the seat. Climb up out of here. Watch your head. And boom.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Looks sick.
What a freaking insane car. We are in the Apollo. It's very loud. My head's still ringing. We got the Senna GTR. But yeah, guys, this thing is actually nuts. Just doing a quick, letting everybody catch up. Pit stop, Sabri, Apollo, Senna. Damn, guys, this thing is absolutely madness. Absolutely freaking madness. Oof, and it looks like the Sabri got a little windshield chip somewhere on there. Oh, there it is. Windshield chip from these fat freaking tires, this fat freaking diffuser. But look at this freaking car, man. Oh my god, it does not look real.
That's what life's all about? I think it is.
Oof.
Cars just like, oh, what the heck?
Yes, sir.
That's a ton of fun.
Matt, thank you, sir.
You fucking know it, bro.
Appreciate it.
Easy peasy.
Yes, sir. So we just got done in the Apollo. That thing was absolute madness. Hopefully the footage really captured the sound and the epicness of this thing. Kept it under 100, that's for sure. So we'll do one quick final walk around and then head out of here. But what an insane time. Shout out to Hyper Society. Shout out to 10. Let's go. These guys are stacking like 6 boys deep in the Cybertruck. Hell yeah. Got the 918, 918. Some more supercars over there. Ford GT, 750S, STO. Got another Senna here. Pink SVJ that was at our event last week. You got some more Koenigsegg's. So many freaking cars, guys. That's insane. You too. So many insane cars on this drive. Sea of cars, sea of people, and I think my ride's just a few minutes away, so I'm gonna say peace. And it is the day after the crazy hypercar drive and show. We're taking the McLaren 765 back over to our shop now. Yesterday was truly insane, but thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. Peace.